YouTube. Hi friends. Hi my little clowns. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. Clearly because I did this like quilt almost inspired eye using this Nomad palette that I got from Dion Loves Makeup, who I'll have tagged here and in the description below, and Nomad when she did a lovely giveaway and I got picked, which is like, what? Wow, okay. But it's with this beautiful, wonderful goodness, and like I said, I created this look. So if, you know, you want to see this look, if you want to see the things I do, please like, comment, subscribe, dislike, I don't know, do something when you're here. And without further ado, let's get into it. Today I'm going to be playing with the Nomad Tokyo palette. I said in the video with Shani that I wanted to do Nomad week, so this is the second palette that I'm going to be doing in that. I only had 3 Nomad palettes, and the last one that I'm going to be using is the Haunted Europe one. I love that one so freaking much. It is my absolute favorite. Yeah, it has my soul. Should we zoom you in? Maybe. Is that good? I don't want to be like too up in your business. Are we good? So I genuinely, honestly think I'm just gonna like dip it and then just, you know, I'm just gonna dot it. It turns out shady. It turns out shady. That's just life. But I think I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I don't know how to pronounce these names, and I do not want to butcher them like the uncultured swine I am. So I'm just gonna put them on the screen. I'm gonna take that purple and I'm just going to dot. We're just dotting today, okay? And then I think maybe like right here. Maybe. We'll zoom you in a little bit more. How about that? We're gonna be all up in each other's business today, okay? You're gonna be up my nostrils. We're gonna have a fun time. I think one more dot, right? Maybe like right here. And maybe right here. Yeah? It's sort of reminding me of Blue's Clues. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Now Is Forever. Do the same thing. Okay, right there. Yeah. Wait, no, don't. I don't want to get that close to you. Not that, like, I don't want to be close to you, but, like, I don't think y'all will want me that close to you. Yeah? Where else should I put the blue? That one needs a little bit more. Okay, I might come back to the blue. You know? I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here called Lolita. And again, we're just plopping away. Right there. Maybe, yeah. How about right there? I don't know if this lighting is good, and I'm so sorry, okay? Like, I'll get it figured out at some point. I'm still gonna go in with these, but I want to get a base figured out. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Kawaii. See, I know some of these, okay? I know some of these. The orange one, just go right there. Yeah, yeah. And maybe like right there. And maybe like right there. Yeah? I'm gonna go back in with that Now Is Forever shade and put that right there. I feel like there needs to be more blue down here. So we're just gonna, oh, bam. Yeah. This is what it looks like. It reminds me of a quilt. Okay. I'm back. I did pretty much everything. I'm gonna go in with the Melt Lynx Cream Blush because I love it and I'm a whore for it. Yeah. I feel like I shed in every single like video now. It is what it is. I have lots of hair anyways. Which is why it's so expensive for me to dye it. Okay. You know, I'm gonna put more blush on because, again, why the hell not, you know? I just want a little bit more color. So I'm gonna go in with this palette from Unearthly Cosmetics into this shade right here. Again, I keep messing up the names of like everything, so I'm just going to be quiet. Well, not quiet. I'm not going to say them because I messed them up and I don't want to look dumb. Okay, so for highlight, I think I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Holographic and the ColourPop Citrus Frizz. This is a pressed powder little eyeshadow palette. But I use it for highlight because, I don't know. But there's like look. You know, like, except for the fact that it's like completely falling apart. I really love it. And again, going in with a little bit more of the Maybelline one, the Master Holographic, because I want to shine so bright. I honestly don't think I'm gonna do an under eye, like anything with the under eye. I think I'm just gonna, you know, leave it be. And I'm thinking a nude lip, so I might go in with this ColourPop Just a Tint lip crayon. Yeah, oh my gosh, this smells so good. What the hell? And this is the completed look. I love it. I adore it. My nose won't stop itching. Oh my goodness. I absolutely adore this palette. Again, thank you to Dion and Nomad for picking me as the winner for the giveaway. That's how I ended up getting this. I feel like this is just gorgeous, okay? And the mattes are just so creamy. Like, they're so good, and I love and adore this, and I can't wait to dip my fingers into this more, like maybe more into like some of the lighter shades over there. But I have my next Nomad video coming out sometime later in the week, so you should keep your eyes peeled for that. But thank you for making it to this part of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for, you know, supporting me if you have. My outro. Don't be shitty. Don't be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. This is so much easier to be nicer and to ignore the things that you do not like, the things that you do not understand. Yeah. There's a lot of bullshit going on, mainly in the US. So, do your part to be a better person and to spread joy and kindness and inclusivity. Yeah, just be a good freaking person and have a good freaking day.